Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into how to set project deadlines on Asana, your ultimate 2025 guide. Firstly, log into your Asana account. This is the base for all operations, so you need to be logged in to make any changes. Now that we've done that, navigate to the specific project you want to set a deadline for. This helps us because we're working from the context of the project, ensuring we're setting deadlines in the right place. Next up, look for the option that says Add Task. Click on it and a new task window will pop up. Let me explain why this matters. Each task within a project can have its own deadline, which feeds into the overall project deadline. Once the new task window is up, look for the due date field. Here's where you'll input the deadline for this specific task. The reason we do this is to ensure each task is time-bound, making project management more efficient. After setting the task deadline, hit Save Changes. This locks in the deadline, making it visible to all team members. This is crucial as it promotes transparency and keeps everyone in sync. Now that we've set up our task deadline, it's time to set up the overall project deadline. Go back to the main project page and look for the Edit Project Details option. Click on it and a new window will pop up. In this window, find the field titled Due Date. This is where you'll set the overall project deadline. Go ahead and enter the date. This helps us because it provides an overarching timeline for the project completion, keeping the team focused and aligned. Once you've entered the project deadline, hit Save Changes. Now your project deadline is set and will be visible to all team members. And there we have it. You've just set up your project deadlines on Asana. Remember, setting clear and achievable deadlines is key to successful project management. By setting task-specific and overall project deadlines, you ensure your team is always on track. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Asana.